What's going on YouTube? It's Sunday morning here in the garage. I'm in the garage this morning working on the G. So yesterday, as I was riding the car yesterday, I turned it off and turned it back on. The car didn't want to start immediately like it should. So I tried it again. It startled and then it started. Then afterwards, the slip light came on and the service soon light came on, or whatever, and it stayed on as I rode home, or whatever. So put it in the garage. As you can see, I got it lifted up right now. I'm actually taking off the bottom pan there. You can't see it, it's dark, I'm sorry. Because I see that my fan belt down there is broken. It's dark down there, I'm sorry again. So I'm going to O'Reilly's this morning to buy a AC belt. AC belt broke. So I'm gonna go buy that, and then I also see that there's an oil leak. I changed the oil maybe 2 weeks ago, and it's coming from the oil filter. It's coming from the oil filter side, so I'm gonna go ahead and check that while I'm down there, and hopefully I can get that leak, that little drip fixed or whatever. So yeah, so I guess we're changing the AC belt today, and stay tuned for more. We're leaving O'Reilly's right now, and I picked up some jack stands, the belt, and some removable paint. I got the paint. I've been, I took off the emblems off the G off the back, and the G35 and the infiniti, and I just left the infiniti logo. And it looks hella clean. I like it like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spray that emblem maybe today, depending on how this installation goes, and or whatever. So it's raining today. It sucks because I wanted to get out and get some runs in today with the boys, and also test out my new GoPros. But I kind of did that yesterday, so I'm not too sad about it. I got to test out my camera. So yeah, so I'm gonna get back with you guys when I get underneath the car. Okay, so we're back underneath the car here. I still need to remove this aerodynamic little bottom plate that covers up the bottom of the engine here. As you can see here, this is where the oil goes, and I'm looking for this leak, and it seems to be coming from the oil filter. Like I said, I don't know why, because it looks sealed on there. I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the rest of this bottom plate. I got a couple more screws I got to do. Maybe 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah, 3 little screws I got to do, and I'm gonna take it off and see what it's looking like underneath there. All right, stand by. All right, so now we got the cover removed, and we're underneath the car here, where we can see all the pulleys and belts and everything. So for the main engine belt, which is going to be this one here, right here, the pulley is that little one right there. That little tiny bolt right there is the one that you want to loosen, so that pulley goes down, so that we can undo this, so we can take the belt off of here, because the new belt needs to go on the back of this one right here, you see. So we need to get this belt off so we can slip the new one on. Now once we slip that one on, then this pulley right here, this little pulley right here, we need to bring this one down. So we're gonna get this bolt here, bring it down so we could slip that one on, and then slip the new belt on under there. I'm going to take a brief moment real quick and then look at the diagram to see how I need to put the belt on, just to make sure I put it on there right the first time and everything, and or whatever. So I'll be right back. Okay, so in order to get this pulley to roll down here, you need to loosen this bolt right here up. I might need to loosen up a little bit more, but once you loosen it up, it should come down just a little bit, and then just turn this bolt until you actually see it come down, and then it stops. So I'm thinking that's at the max that this can come down, or that bolt can come down, or whatever. But anyway, as you can see here, that my belt is loose. Let me see. It's loose now. So I can go ahead and slide that off like I want to there, and then I can slide the new belt on real quick, and then get started on the other side. So hold on. Okay, so just like that, the belt's on. I just need to go back and tighten this up here, the pulley itself and this little thing right here. But as you can see, the new belt is on. I just need to tuck it up a little bit more if I can reach it up top. Well, I might be able to do it just like that. Is that easy? Yeah, I don't expect it to be that easy. Anyway, yeah, so I still need to loosen up this pulley here so I can fully get the belt over on top, and then that should be good from the bottom. I might be able to do all of this from the bottom, or whatever. So let me finish this up. Yeah, so this is pretty much, pretty easy installation. The new belt is on. So pretty much all you have to do is just loosen up the main engine tensioner, which would be this here. Loosen this belt, just loosen it. You don't have to take it off, but just loosen it. This bolt right here, screw it down so that the tensioner actually comes down, so that you can pull this bottom of this belt off. Just pull this off, so that way you can slide the new belt on behind it. Once you do that, just slip that back on. You don't have to take it fully off of the engine itself, but just take it off this pulley, slip the new belt on, put this one back on, and then after you do that, just kind of route the belt the way that it's supposed to go. And then after you do that, loosen this pulley just like you did the first one. Just loosen it. Let me see if I can get it. Loosen it, okay, and then screw this one down so that the pulley can go down, and then the belt itself should be able to wrap over top like mine's did. So I'm just gonna go ahead and reverse everything, tighten everything back up, and then see everything works. Alright, so we got the car started. As you can see, the new belt is working fine on the compressor and everything. The AC isn't on it. AC isn't on yet. I'm just checking and making sure everything is working fine before I turn it on. I didn't do anything special since the last clip, other than just put the bottom aerodynamic little pan thing back on the bottom. That's about it. Alright, so I'm going to go in here and turn on the AC and see if it blows cold. Whew. And it should blow cold. Okay, inside the car, let's do AC. Fan. AC, pressure just kicked on. Oh, I can't wait to get a new dash in this thing. Stone cold. All right, so that's pretty much it. Like I was saying earlier in the beginning of the video, my service engine soon light is on. So it just came on yesterday, and the slip light that appears right here, it says slip, and the traction control light was on yesterday, but it's not on today. I'm gonna drive it about. I'm about to get ready to go to the gym. I'm gonna drive it about and see what happens, and then if all is good, then all is good. But I'm gonna take it to the Infiniti dealership around the corner from my house and see what see about the engine soon light and the oil leak. See what I need to do to get. See what I need to do to get that fixed. But until next video, please like, comment, and subscribe. As many followers as needed, I need on my channel. If I can keep producing good videos like this for you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment. And, you know, in future videos, in the future, I can make better videos and more videos like this. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Holla at your boy.